Hello, today I'm going to show you how to use Mr. Register. He has three main parts and you can make your very own version. He has to have a hat, he has to have a mustache, and he has to have a tie. Those are the three main parts that are going to help us today. So, after you've drawn Mr. Register, he's going to help you. We're going to conceptualize and physicalize how to move between different registers in the voice. So we're going to start from his tie, and his tie is going to symbolize chest voice. So I want you to put on your tie, meaning you're going to take your hand, you're going to put it over your chest a little bit above right here. And if you just talk and say a few words in your regular speaking voice, you'll feel a vibration. So where you feel these vibrations are usually where those are going to help you figure out what register you're in. So where you talk is usually going to be your chest voice. So I'm going to pick a note that I know is in my chest voice and I'm going to sing it. And when I sing, I should feel it vibrating. I'm going to start with the hum because the hum really helps you feel the vibration inside your body. So that was my chest voice. Now I'm going to go to my middle voice. So with my middle voice, see the mustache? We're going to put on our mustaches. So you can use 2 fingers or your full face. You're going to hum, so it doesn't really matter if your mouth is open or not. I like to put my tie still back on so I can tell if it's vibrating here or just here. So if it's vibrating in your chest and your lips, don't let that confuse you, because if it's vibrating in your chest, it's also going to vibrate here. You'll know that you've reached your middle voice when the vibration stops in your tie and is only vibrating in your lips. So you can start with a siren to help you figure that out. So I'll start in my chest voice. So I found a place that vibrates only here and not here. Yeah. So that changes slightly for every person. So where it switches might not be the same for every single person. There's usually a general area, but it's your body, and the cool thing about the voice is it's unique to every single person. So we figured out where it vibrates for our chest. It's down here. You can feel the vibration. And then we've traveled up to our middle voice. Should really be vibrating right there. Now I'm going to use my siren and keep humming in the front of my face, and I'm going to keep going, imagining like I'm humming up a line, and I'm going to go to my high voice, which is where the top hat happens. So once I get into my high voice, the vibration should no longer be happening here, okay? It should feel kind of ringy in your head. So I'm going to start all the way in my chest voice again, go through middle, and then once I feel the vibration stop, I know that I've reached my head voice. So put my tie back on, put my mustache back on. Somewhere up here, and it's no longer vibrating here or here, and that is how I've known that I am now in my high voice. So a cool way that you can use Mr. Register is you can use a piano. I have a cute little piano right here, and you can practice just playing any note on the piano and figuring out by feeling your vibrations whether it's in your chest voice, your middle voice, or your high voice.